These are the signs of the times. Who is marching on, who resign, who will accept to decline.
These are the signs of the time. It is time for us to define who destroys, who designs.
Society heartless, some things need to adjust. The system so stink and leave this place in a mess. Handcuff with dream and place it under arrest. Me woulda like to see what you have under your chest.
Is it a heart you have? Is it a stone? Is this paradise? Tell me if I can call it home. We walking in the crowd, but I still feel alone. We born by ourselves and we're leaving on our own.
بعد شغل شهر يعني صار الحروب فوقنا وتعرفين الحال صار بعد عنا وصار البلد.
These are the signs of the times. Who is marching on, who resign, who will accept to decline. The straight and narrow. Wonder what the world will be tomorrow. Will it be joy or will it be sorrow? Who knows?
I wish I could fly just like an arrow. If I had wings just like a sparrow, flying beyond the hills of Jaro. There goes.
I make a search and find out. It's a wicked people never take no time out. Them work 24/7 for knock your shine out. My sister them not plan figure take the crime out.
Now the youths are willing to sign out. Now reach the age of me why now? Are you really planning to blow your mind out? Why you never think to seek Jack divine out?
Think twice before you go take the 9 out. Now you are falling a ditch and you want to climb out. Still hear my people crying out. But the bad ones live, the good ones are dying out.
Be careful fisherman, now you throw your line out. The inspiration of the song is to lead the blind out. Love and liberation is what we rhyme about. East, west, north and south.
Today I got to judge the straight and narrow. Wonder what the world will be tomorrow. Will it be joy or will it be sorrow? Who knows?
Who knows? I wish I could fly just like an arrow. If I had wings just like a sparrow, flying beyond the hills of Jaro. There goes. The world is on the verge of change.
More situations with no explanations. We going round and round in circles, unanswered questions. There's still tribulation with no elevation. We going round and round in circles, unanswered questions. What kind of things to teach youths in our classes? What kind of meds to give the youths them figure walk? We can see no common sense with the authorities and bosses. Try to find the answers to the question in the classes. What does it take to find some purpose in a life? Discover your potential and the urge to make it right. Pursue your happiness and don't put it aside. Don't you think it's gonna be an easy ride? No way. It's time to open up your eyes. Time to make a choice, cause it don't make no sense if you run away. Listen to your inner voice and don't show no dice. Be wise, cause there'll be more situations with no explanations. We going round and round in circles, unanswered questions. There's still tribulation with no elevation. We going round and round in circles, unanswered questions.
And no more do as I say. Gotta take a stand, so I do it my way. We need conversations, elevations, until that very day.
Where is the love and harmony till we can reunite? Now I'm living a confusion, some in a illusion. This and now be our, this a real life. Them one brainwash the youth and one destroy the children. Can't kill them off for what them feel like.
Oh, Jack, guide over us. We don't fear wicked hearts. No, them system corrupt. Oh, so you have to watch the road that you walk. Oh, Jack, guide over us. Peace and dagger to the heart. Hey, make them know when I go bow one of them pressure. Now sell with soul, drink no blood to get no treasures. Peace and love and unity is what we prefer. So the time is now and it is up to us to make it better. Oh, we're living in some serious time. Humanity has been the victim of some serious crimes. Still murky and steep, but it still have to climb. Hungry belly have to feed, so food still have to find. Oh, Jah guide over us. We don't fear wicked hearts. No, them system corrupt. Oh, so you have to watch the road that you walk. Oh, Jah guide over us. Peace and love we are chant. Mama, I thank you for the things you have taught me. All of the presents and the gifts you have brought me. All those kind gestures I still can remember. Mama, you are the definition of virtue. And I will never stand aside and I'm hurt you. Good values and attitude I will always remember.
Mama, I know that you have been through the suffering. The tribulation and the pain keeps overing. Oh, by your head still always show love and share your last breath.
You bless us and not tell Jah to guide over him. His little sister and him need covering. Over their heads, always show love and share your last breath.
After all that's said and done, when it's taken over you, someone deserves some blessings in life, well then it's you.
You treat your neighbor's children like your own, so true. I wish that everyone could have a mother like you.
Mama, I've grown up and now I'm showing my regards. That golden memorabilia you deserve, that's how I.
So long you have been working so hard. Now it's time for you to collect your reward. Yeah.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, listen to the great voice of the great Master Griffiths.
You're moving too hard.
Wow! Cool down! Cool down!
Second.
Simmer down. You're licking too hot, so simmer down. You'll soon get dropped, so simmer down. Can you hear what I say? Simmer down. Why won't you simmer down?
Never want you time and time again. You never did a listen, never want comprehend. Sending out the wrong vibes, wrong message you were sent. Now you gonna end up on the receiving end. Find yourself on the crossroad and now you're confused. Better find some better ways, you need to improve. Calm down your temper, down the overproof. Let go from the bitterness and change your attitude.
Long time people them used to say, what's sweet now the goat I go running belly, so simmer down.
Control your temper.
Simmer down.
No, the battle will be hotter.
Simmer down.
And you won't get no supper.
Simmer down. Simmer right down. Simmer down.
Come make me go paint it on red. White sand, cool breeze and sunset. The destination is freedom from stress. That's the getaway. Come make me go paint it on red. White sand, cool breeze and sunset. The destination is freedom from stress and we dying to get away. We got a lot of things to do, don't you remember? And you can put a getaway on the agenda. Packing up cause we began till September. Let us leave before dawn. I pick you up at our spot just by the corner. Let me just finish up my jar of marijuana. Cause I got the tank full of gas, ready to press gas. And nothing can come in our way, no way. As crazy as it sounds, a love like this will probably never come around. You never like it when I leave the compound, but you be waiting when I come back to town. Overwhelming, what a great joy. Yet we are giving and we take joy. This is for real, this and no fake joy. And there is nothing that can destroy our love. Come make me go paint it on red. White sand, cool breeze and sunset. The destination is freedom from stress. That's the getaway. Come make we go paint it on red. White sand, cool breeze and sunset. The destination Revolution is freedom from stress, and we dying to get away.
Hey, hey, hey. Oh, baby, we gon' sing it again. Hey, 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 hey. Look at that. Said I cry for the lonely, but who's gonna cry for me? I'm one gunshot away from ending misery, Lord, yeah. So when hope is lost, just means it's there to be found. You keep your head above the water, your feet on solid ground to sing. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, baby, we gon' sing it again. Hey, 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 hey. Look at me. Break it down for me now. There must be demons in the big house, calling the shots, like informers on the street side, calling the cops. You know my name, you don't know my load. Born and bred in the struggle is how my story goes. If I gotta do it, I'll do it and do it again. Uprising, we on the horizon. Said they want to take it over. I wanted them. Said we got to run for cover. Freedom fighters, we keep surviving. Let them know we're not pushed over. It's not over till it's over.
Tell me what this world is coming to. I really got to know where we are running to. Yeah, say we try to find a place, but we're running out of space, Lord. What we are supposed to do? Somebody tell me, please, where we running from? Is it the fighting or illusion by the hands of man? Yeah, time to find a common ground. Can't afford to run around. Why can't we get along?
Uprising, we on the horizon.
Up there.
Said they want to take it over,
but they will never.
Said we got to run for cover. Freedom fighters, we keep surviving. Let them know we're not pushed over.
Never.
It's not over till it's over.
To see unification is my greatest desire. But mind and envy get cast in the fire. Boy, for the dragon and the fear, the illusion and the fear get burned with the thief and the liar. Let's get together the words of the Messiah. No single out, make we do this in a choir. No man is an island, no man stands alone. Show love and let your love inspire. Come on,
uprising.
No solidarity, no solidarity.
Them no got no love and them no want no unity.
No solidarity, no solidarity.
Them no want togetherness and no equality.
No solidarity, no solidarity.
Them no got no love and them no want no unity.
No solidarity, no solidarity.
Can we find some love and unity?
I'm talking for the people who don't have a voice, banning us surrounding where they don't have a choice. Where others have it easy, they don't have it nice. Facing daily struggle for a handful of rice, and the leaders that surround them are go around them with lies. Separate the people with the military ties. People that die like flies. Don't you think it's time to step in at the footsteps of Christ?
Hey, why are we fighting for the leaves when the strength is in the roots, like a love is in the truth dread, destroying all the seeds? Busy fighting for the fruits, victimizing our youth.
Them have no solidarity, no solidarity.
Them no got no love and them no want no unity.
No solidarity, no solidarity.
Them no want togetherness and no equality.
No solidarity, no solidarity.
Them no got no love and them no want no unity.
No solidarity, no solidarity.
Can we find some love and
We
unity?
see a new perspective is well necessary. Wolf of Wall Street, Mr. Dignitary, while you're sipping champagne out there and getting married.
There must be a way out for me. You tell me to stay out and leave.
Where is your empathy? No need your pity, now your sympathy.
There must be a way out for me. You tell me to stay out and leave.
Where is your empathy? No need your pity, now your sympathy.
60 million, including me, are on the move. My life used to be music, now I cannot feel the groove. I wish I could have stayed, but there was nowhere to choose. The picture that you painted was so wrong and I didn't use. I understand why you are so confused. You have so much to win when I have nothing left to lose. If you can change perspective, then I'm sure you'll change your views. For the shooting and the bombing, no excuse.
There must be a way out for me. You tell me to stay out and leave.
Where is your empathy? No need your pity, now your sympathy.
There must be a way out for me. You tell me to stay out and leave.
Where is your empathy? No need your pity, now your sympathy. This is how I feel. I should never drop my defenses, now my shield. This is like a psychological battlefield. To you it seems like an illusion, but we know the struggle's real.
This is how I feel. I should never drop my defenses nor my shield. This is like a psychological battlefield. To you it seems like an illusion, but we know the struggle's real.
Well, this is more than justified when we are asked the question, what have you done to guide the people through the Great Depression? Every time you make a move, we got the same impression. You only come around when there is election. You leave the people by themselves and there is no protection. Just like a wandering sheep where they got no direction. You make a talk, but talk is cheap, but I see no connection. Please take some time for reflection.
This is how I feel. I should never drop my defenses nor my shield. This is like a psychological battlefield. To you it seems like an illusion, but we know the struggle's real.
This is how I feel. I should never drop my defenses, now my shield. This is like a psychological battlefield.
This I one call for motivation. That one you gonna heal the generations. World renowned, the future sensation.
This I one call for motivation. Never forget your obligation. World renowned, the future sensation.
These are the things you need to know. We show comfort as we go. Cause I got to keep my faith in Rastafari. We know there's lots of room to grow. Just like the stream, we let love flow. Cause I got to keep my faith in Rastafari.
This I one call for motivation. That one I go hear the generation. Word renowned, the future sensation. If you see an opportunity, now show that. And if you fall to the ground, just make a comeback. All of the hate and jealousy, you better done that. You see the light there at the end of the tunnel, I just on that.
We're holding on from dusk till dawn. Let's keep this fire burning, remaining strong right through the storm. And now the table's turning.
This I one call for motivation. That one I go hear the generation. Word renowned, the future sensation.
Everything that was still remains.
The quality of life hasn't changed.
Everything that was still remains.
When we are go done with the malicious power struggle. When we are go stop light to ourselves and bust the bubble. When we are go pick up myself out of the rubble. Stop the looting and the shooting, time to write another novel. Instead of all the war, me want see people like cuddle. Get rid of desperation and eradicate the trouble. Wherever there is life, there is sound for the double. It's up to you and me to find the piece to the puzzle.
Hey, it's hard sometimes, but still we got to go, yeah. Sometimes it's cold, but let the fire melt the snow, yeah. Just like a river running down the stream, never stop your flow, no. And no need to rest, just take things nice and slow.
The quality of
something that was still